In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link data from a different tab in Google Sheets. If you're constantly flipping between tabs to copy and paste numbers, this method will save you time and keep everything in sync automatically. Here's the simple idea. Instead of copying values, you create a live link to the cell you want. Start in the cell where you want the data to appear. Type an equal sign. Then click the tab at the bottom that holds your source data and click the exact cell you want to pull in. Press Enter. That's it. Google Sheets builds the connection for you. From now on, whenever the source value changes, your linked cell updates instantly without any extra work. Take a quick look at the formula bar. You'll see the tab name, followed by an exclamation point, and then the cell reference, something like sales batu. That exclamation point is the key that tells Google Sheets which tab to look at. If your tab name has spaces or special characters, Sheets will automatically wrap it in single quotes, like Q1 Sales B2. It's the same link, just safely formatted. A few helpful tips while you're here. If you copy that linked formula across or down, the reference will adjust relative to each new position. If you want to keep it pointing to the same exact source cell, add $signs to lock it, like Q1 Sales, $2. Also, if you ever rename the tab, Sheets will update the formula for you so the link keeps working. Want to pull in a whole table at once? Use curly brackets to bring in the entire range as a single array. Type an equal sign, then enter the range from the other sheet inside curly braces. For example, each A2 D50 Press Enter, and the full block spills into your sheet in the same shape as the source. Make sure the destination area is empty. If not, you'll get a spill error. The beauty of this approach is that your master list updates automatically whenever the source range changes. Just use the colon between the start and end cells to define the block you need. With these two techniques, linking a single cell and linking an entire range, you can build smarter, cleaner spreadsheets in seconds, keep your data consistent, and eliminate manual copy-paste mistakes. Try it on your next report or dashboard and watch everything stay perfectly in sync. Build a smarter spreadsheet in seconds. Follow for more Google Sheets hacks.